Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to complete touch ID setup. Please go back and try again. If you're also facing on your old iPhone like iPhone 7, 8, 6. So in this video I will show you how you can fix that. First of all, make sure you clean your finger when you try to set up your touch ID. If you clean your finger and it's still showing the same error, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open your iPhone settings app. Okay, in settings app, you need to tap on general. After tapping the general, you need to scroll down. Okay, and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Okay, tap on reset and reset all setting and apply it on your iPhone. After that, you need to try it again. If that method is not working and you are still facing the same problem, then move to the next solution. The next solution is make sure you don't have any pending old iOS update in your iPhone. If you have any pending iOS update, just update your iPhone. To check that, open iPhone settings. Okay, tap on software available and wait for a few minutes. If it's showing any pending update, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS update. After that, it will 100% working for you. Make sure you don't have any hardware issue in your iPhone. If you have any hardware issue in your iPhone, just contact the nearest Apple store, they will fix that. Okay, now after applying these two settings, make sure it will working. To check that, open iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on touch ID and passcode. Okay, after that you need to enter your iPhone passcode. Suppose right now. Okay, now tap on unlock. Okay, you can see a person screen right now showing. Okay, you can see right now it's working perfectly and there is no error showing here in my iPhone touch ID right now because it's too old model. Just tap on next. You can see a person screen. Touch ID has been added in my iPhone 8. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.